Welcome back to KITT Raceway, everybody. Well, guess what? My daughter's talked me into having another monster truck king of the hill. Here is the current king of KITT Raceway right here. Bad news travels fast, under the protection of Darth Vader. She definitely looks excited. Yeah. Today's 16 trucks will get their chance at redemption to see if they can face the king. We'll also be unboxing a brand new box of Monster Jam trucks, Scooby-Doo and the Mystery Machine. I've really been itching to open this one. Okay, this is how the race is going to go. Typical 6-lane, extends down to 4 lanes. There's a little jump leading to a free run all the way down to the finish line. It's going to be pretty entertaining. All right, let's get started. All right, we're going to do this 2 at a time, best of 1, until the final. When the winner faces the king, it'll be the best of 3. Okay, let's get this started. Let's do Black Ops and SpongeBob. Okay, lane 5 and 6 will be SpongeBob. Lane 1 and 2 will be Black Ops. Let's see who's gonna win here. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Ooh, SpongeBob with the nice win. All right, that was smooth and nice. Both those cars did well, but SpongeBob is moving on. Okay, we'll put the winners right here again like we did last time. My daughter's excited about this for sure. Woo, SpongeBob. And you go into the loser section. There we are. Oh, I almost forgot. Okay, with the assistance, open it up real quick. And not easy, is it? I have been excited and waiting for this because I grew up watching Scooby. All right, let's put them in the mix. Ooh, look at Scooby-Doo. That is awesome. Sweet. All right, you can go into the lineup there. And the Mystery Mobile. Oh, that is sweet. That's huge. I hope he wins. Okay, next 2. Let's go with the Northern Nightmare. Oh, yeah. Let's take him against Scooby. Lane 5 and 6 will be Scooby-Doo. Lane 1 and 2 will be Northern Nightmare. On your mark, get set, go Scooby-Doo. Hey, he's looking good. All right, he's moving on. Wonder what happened there. Well, I want Scooby to move on anyway. And he goes into the winner's bracket. Scooby-Doo. Next 2, let's go with the Monster Mutt and the Mystery Machine. That's a big old thing, heavy. Okay, Mystery Machine in lane 1 and 2. Monster Mutt in lane 5 and 6. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Come on, Mystery Machine. Yeah, yes. All right, he's moving on. Good looking, so freaking heavy. Just an awesome monster truck. I changed my mind. I didn't want these guys sitting in the sun. Losers go here. Winners wait by the king. Oh, look at those 3. Really awesome. My daughter wants to do Chewie against Darth Vader. Who are you rooting for? Oh, I'd be scared, Chewie. Okay, lane 5 and 6 will be Darth Vader. Lane 1 and 2 will be Chewie. Sorry about that. I'll mute my cell phone. Let's see who wins. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Chewie was notoriously fast. He wrecks. Vader is moving on and Chewie's out. Poor Chewie. Just a bad driver. Look at the last king of the hill. It's legit. And he's moving on. My gosh. Some awesome looking cars moving into the next round. Okay, let's go with Jurassic Attack and Megalodon. All right, Megalodon in 5 and 6. And Jurassic Attack, who was pretty quick in my last King of the Hill, in 1 and 2. All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. All good race so far. Oh, yes. Jurassic Attack. Nice job of driving there. He's moving on. Yeah, he just doesn't do very good outside of water. He's moving on. Let's go with Wildflower And Gravedigger. All right, Gravedigger 5 and 6. Wildflower, who is a very, very quick monster truck in the last King of the Hill in 1 and 2. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Ooh-wee. Oh, yes. Wildflower's moving on, no surprise there. Oh, unfortunately, my favorite real-life monster truck Gravedigger is in the loser bracket. Next two, let's go with the Dragonoid and the Zombie. Okay, Zombie in 5 and 6 didn't do well in the last King. Can he get his redemption? And Dragonoid in Layton 1 and 2. Okay, oh, that's cool. Okay, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, looking good. Woo! Dragonoid pulled away with it, and he's moving on. Dang it. Zombie just can't win. But he's still excited. Nothing wrong with coming in second. Okay, 4 more. Let's go with Max Destruction and La Fasta. All right, La Fasta lane 5 and 6. Max Destruction, which is one of my favorite cars, or monster trucks, in lane 1 and 2. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Come on, Max D. Oh, he just can't drive. He all the way to the finish line. Good job, La Fasta. He's moving on. Final 2, we have the Fire and Ice Dragon, and we have the Rescue. Okay, the very fast Rescue. I think he made the semifinals in the last King of the Hill. Is going to be taking on the Ice Dragon. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, he's quick. Dang, he's moving on. All right, here's the second round with the King watching. Next 2. Okay, she's got SpongeBob and the Rescue Fire Truck. All right, that was an excellent selection. We have the Rescue Truck and SpongeBob going in 1 and 2, which is gonna be a challenge for him, that's for sure. This Rescue Truck's quick. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, whoa, he took a nasty turn right there. That'll be worth a replay. All right, 5 alarm, moving on. Let's go with Wildflower against the Dragonoid. All right, the Dragonoid in 5 and 6. We have Wildflower in 1 and 2. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, wow, look at Wildflower go. I tell you, he is tough. Man, he's quick, isn't he? Gosh. If you watch the last King of the Hill, these two are in it too. All right, next 2, let's go with the Mystery Machine against La Fasta. Okay, we have La Fasta in 1 and 2. And we have the Mystery Machine in lane 5 and 6. You know who I'm pulling for. That is just awesome. Okay, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Well, the Mystery Machine's looking good. No! La Fasta's moving on. Good driving. Drove right around him. Moving on. And we got an odd number. How are we going to race these 3? Let's take these 2. And the winner will take on Scooby to see who's going to the semis. All right. We have Vader 5 and 6. Jurassic Attack in lane 1 and 2. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Darth Vader with the lead. Oh, and he wrecks. No. Ah, every time he kills me. All right, Jurassic Attack's moving on. At least he's cool. Here we go. Jurassic Attack against Scooby. Scooby in lane 5 and 6. And we have the Jurassic Attack going in 1 and 2. 2 good-looking monster trucks, aren't they? All right, on your mark, get set, go. Scooby-Doo with the lead. Jurassic Attack with the win by 2 inches. Dang it. All right, there it is, final four. Who's gonna take on the king? We're gonna take Jurassic Attack against Wildflower. Wildflower 1 and 2. Jurassic Attack 5 and 6. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Jurassic Attack with the early lead. Wildflower just blew him away. Holy moly, man, he's good. If you're into racing monster trucks, I'd probably pick up a Wildflower. That guy is awesome. Okay, who's he gonna be facing? Here we go, LaFasta against 5 Alarm. LaFasta in lane 5 and 6. We have 5 Alarm in lane 1 and 2. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at this race. Oh, he stays in front of him, wow. That was epic. 5 Alarm is done. LaFasta moving on. That's kind of a surprise, a little upset alert. All right, here it is. Here it is. We have the Wildflower taking on LaFasta. He's waiting. He beat him last time. Can he beat him again? All right, we have LaFasta in lane 5 and 6, and we have Wildflower in lane 1 and 2. So it'll be good. On your mark, get set, go. Who's gonna face the king? LaFasta's flying. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, the Hot Wheels LaFasta is gonna be taking on the king. Okay, here we go. One final look, who's gonna win? Best of 3. Okay, everybody, here it is. LaFasta, lane 5 and 6. The current defending in lane 1 and 2. Also known as Bad News Travels Fast with the gold pimped out wheels. Who's it gonna be? Best of 3. All right, here we go. Championship, on your mark, get set, go. LaFasta with the early lead, but Bad News Travels Fast. Showing why he's the boss, why he's the number one, why he's the king. 1-0, Bad News Travels Fast. Is this it? We have LaFasta now going in lanes 1 and 2. And we have the man going for the win. Bad News Travels Fast in lane 5 and 6. Is this it? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go. Bad News Travels Fast losing so far, and it's over. Wow, what a wreck. All right, that's it. The king has defended his title. I'd like to thank all you guys for watching. And there he is, he's back on top. I'll tell you what, my man is quick. Darth Vader's a little piffed because his buddy lost, but that's all right. Still a lot of fun. Enjoyed these new ones. The Mystery Machine is awesome. So is the Scooby-Doo. All right, till next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.